Hey everyone, my name is Craig Stansbury, and welcome to my course, Cisco Core Security, Network Security Fundamentals. I'm a network security consultant for my company StansTech. With so many great Cisco security products, it's hard to know if you are deploying them correctly and properly hardening them. In this course, we're going to go over how to properly deploy them, use NetFlow to our advantage, and harden the various devices. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Cisco Validated Designs for architecting our networks, Cisco's NetFlow, securing the management plane concepts, securing the control plane, and securing the data plane. By the end of this course, you'll know how to properly architect a network using Cisco security products and how to harden them. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with basic networking concepts such as IP routing and MAC addresses. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Cisco Core Security with courses on Network Security with Cisco iOS, Endpoint Protection and Detection, Secure Network Access using Cisco ISE, and Securing the Cloud. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn proper Cisco deployment methods and device hardening methods with the Cisco Core Security Network Security Fundamentals course at Pluralsight.